water.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hear you.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, go.
Hi, I'm Coochie Mathers,
And I'm Ashley Mathers.
and I'm the wingman.
What?
What?
We're in Japan and we're eating, and we want to take you out to eat with us.
It was just the other night.
Waffles.
I give a,
You can eat with it.
You eat with this?
Grab it. You got it.
It's very difficult. The Asian people
takes
have
some
a
work.
different.
They practice
have a
a lot.
different. They have a different way of eating here. Different utensils. Sometimes you can just, I'll figure it out. But
A little bit of egg drop soup. It's good for you. Or fish donuts.
and this is Zapdos. He's the god of lightning, and also the god of E. coli.
It's easy when you're big in Japan. When you're big